Hello everyone, I am Adam and welcome back to Yala Labs channel. Hope you are doing well. Today's topic is about how to install Atom text editor on Ubuntu 20. So let's start. Open the terminal and use the following commands to update the packages list and install the dependencies. Now let's add the Atom text editor official package repository. Once the repository is enabled, you can now install Atom using the apt command. Now that Atom is installed, you can launch it from the command line by typing Atom or by clicking the Atom text editor icon from the activities menu. That's it, thanks for watching, please subscribe.